Alright, Savages, Savage Family, Savage Maniacs. We still at Universal. And I came here, it's kind of raining. It's supposed to stop, but that's Florida for you. Welcome to DreamWorks Land, brand new. That's Gabby Dollhouse. I guess yeah, that's where you can take pictures and stuff. That's the other sign. Man, I wish it wasn't raining, but it is what it is. There's a new ET sign. ET ride is old, but if you've been on that ride, you know what it's about. Here we go. Shrek, Swamp Deep. I am going to try some foods out. But I'll probably do that in another video when it's not raining. Yeah, this is beautiful, man. Brand new. Just opened on June the 14th. It is now on the, I think it's the 19th today. It's Juneteenth. That's what I know. So once again, everybody celebrating Juneteenth. Oh, I almost got hit with some water. See, I didn't even know that squirt water. So you don't even need that today. There's no more squirting water right there. Just, yeah. But yeah, happy Juneteenth. I saw Pinocchio. Oh, there go Pinocchio. Let's see what Pinocchio has to say. Back Shack.
Shrek will be so happy to see all you little ogres.
That was it. Let's see what else he has to say.
Shrek will be so happy to
That's
see
all he has to say?
all you little ogres.
Oh man, that's it. That's all you gotta repeat. I thought he said more than that. But you see, this is another kid's ride, brand new. It looks like there's a slide. It looks like there's another slide there. And there's something back there, but it's raining. So let's keep walking around just so you can know what's in this park when you come. Here's the crazy thing. It wasn't even supposed to rain today. Like seriously, y'all, it wasn't supposed to rain. But it's raining. It's not like raining hard right now as it was this morning, but it's just crazy that it's raining. I guess this is a photo booth. Oh, this is an Ogre dryer. It costs money to get in there though. Of course. I guess that would dry. Oh yeah, that makes sense. If you go over here where this little water convention things is at, just come over here and dry off. Now we're gonna walk over here with the frogs. Yeah, do not climb. Look like they all have some type of animation because their mouth do move. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, caught it. It'd be nice if they all did something at the caught it. It'd be nice if they all did something at the same time. Sound like they're saying Bud. Are they saying Budweiser? I heard Wise. I just don't know if that guy said Bud. Are they saying Budweiser? King, okay, King Harold, okay. See, I'm not big on Shrek. I've seen the first one, that's it. I don't remember too many of the characters, but once again, another option you have when you come to this park. Alright, I caught you. Alright, let's keep walking. I guess that's a little store right there. You got troll treats. I haven't seen any of the troll movies, so I don't know what what is this going on? I know I hear music. You know what that means. Let's get out of the way because YouTube will get you that strike. Here you have Poppy's Playground. I guess you can just swing around, look like another little kid. So this area is pretty much for kids. So if you got kids, they're probably gonna love this. We have a nice little water fountain right here. Listen, if any of this part of the video go mute, it's because of YouTube making me mute any copyrighted music, and it's starting to come down harder and harder. So let me get out of that area because you already know how YouTube is with this. They catch everything, bro. So I ain't trying to get hit for that. Yeah, it's coming down harder now. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. I think this is the end of it though. I might be able to survive this. All right, so that's Po Kung Fu training camp. I hear more music. All right, you can hit the gong. Another little splash center for the kids. Here we have gong. Pretty sure you can pull that down and it'll make a loud noise. I got another dryer splash. Yeah, so laundry of ultimate cleaner. That's funny. Yeah, a little nice little Asian vibe, Mr. Pink Noodle. I guess this is some theater. Learn Kung Fu, so I bet the Panda come out here and do some type of event. You can meet the Dragon Warrior as well. So that seems like that was pretty much it. Oh, I just missed the big splash. So it splashed. Oh. So it will splash like crazy right there. It splashed like crazy. Alright, well, hey, I'm gonna go get some food. Probably show y'all what that looks like getting food since it's raining right now. That's what the theme park looked like. Well, DreamWorks land looked like. Come out here and enjoy with your family and friends. Oh yeah, we out.